Also, started shoveling the snow. It's windy and cold outside, and it's too cold outside. Very windy. It's too cold, and I'm just glad that I get back inside. But that snow out there and everything, and shoveling, and what I'm saying, I can't. It's too windy outside. Very windy outside. It's very cold. It's windy, and people out there trying to shovel their snow and everything, but it's just a mess. You know what I mean? So the snow started since last night and everything. It started since last night, and it's like kind of still snowing and everything. You know what I mean? And I had to shovel and put and put the salt and everything like that. It's just so crazy. You know what I'm saying? Very very crazy. You know what I mean? It's just can't. It's just too much. You know what I mean? Too much snow. Too much headaches. You know what I'm saying? Everything without work, everything out there. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy.